The Nikon D5600, paired with its versatile 55mm lens, empowers you to capture breathtaking photos. This quick tutorial will guide you through essential settings and techniques to elevate your photography. Familiarize yourself with your camera power on your D5600. Locate the mode dial on top for effortless shooting. Begin with auto mode, which handles most settings, allowing you to concentrate on composition. The 55mm lens is excellent for a range of subjects. Ensure the autofocus switch on the lens barrel is set to AF for effortless focusing. Composition is crucial. Employ the rule of thirds by mentally dividing your frame into 9 equal sections. Position your main subject along these lines or at their intersections for a more dynamic image. Focusing is straightforward on your LCD screen. A small square indicates the focus area. Press the shutter button to focus on what's within that square. A green indicator confirms successful focus. For optimal exposure, especially in auto mode, consider the lighting. If a scene is too bright or too dark, use exposure compensation. Press the button and rotate the dial near the shutter button to adjust brightness. Practice extensively. Shoot various subjects and lighting conditions. Experiment with the rule of thirds and observe. Focusing with practice, you'll develop a keen eye for great shots and gain confidence to explore advanced settings. Master these fundamental steps, and you'll be well on your way to creating stunning images with your Nikon D5600 and its 55mm lens.